Hello, this is Will from journalwallstreet.blogspot.com. I'm here to take another look at my current portfolio. I'm going to keep doing this until I'm at a better size position. So, let's just go straight to the trades. Here's BVN. I said yesterday that I wanted it to trade further away from this flag because still declining moving averages using it as resistance. So looking pretty good right now. Liking this trade a lot, and I haven't added any size, though probably below this move should have been the add. Nextly, Allergan. So this turned out to no longer be resistance. Well, it still might be, but because of breach, I stopped out of this trade. Actually took a pretty big loss on this. I mean, really, I chased the entry. I should have been short as close to this line as possible. Instead, I shorted down here, and I added somewhere here. So, I mean, had I had I went short where I wanted to, and then maybe add on this pullback somewhere here, then I wouldn't have lost much at all. I could have been huge size and I'll still be okay. But because I've added incredibly late, it's too big of a size for a chase, then that's what I get. Next is Hasbro. So started off great, gapped lower, but started to trade higher towards the end of the day. But my stop is still set here, so we'll see what happens. AOL, sort of the same story. At some point it closed, it traded under 35. I said yesterday that I would feel more comfortable if it remained under 35, but it came right back. So, maybe this is a time to possibly to get bigger, but I'm not really looking at that right now. All I am doing is managing this trade, so my stop is going to remain above here for now. Mankind, I actually added to this trade earlier today. Let me look on the intraday real quick. Basically, once it broke the highs here, I added, and I think volume was actually pretty good. At least early in the morning, it was pretty good. Here, let me add it so I can see real quick. Yeah, lots of volume today. So that's sort of one of the reasons why I added. Next is GD. So I was stopped out of this trade below that candle. Still might be good, but I really wanted to hold above 79 right now. I'm not gonna mess with it while it's down here. CME, kind of an okay day, traded lower, then kind of a little channel the rest of the day. So not much action, but it might have to retest the EMAs before it can go up further. CRUS looking a little better. Trading back down to kind of this range down here. So I'm gonna keep my eye on this one. Maybe I can add at some point, but for now I'm just watching and maintaining my stop. Amazon got beaten up today, but it's still above the breakout area. So my late ad yesterday, or excuse me, when was it? Yeah, yesterday. Taking a little heat right now, but overall I still have to let this play out. So I at least accomplished part one of my goal, which is to kind of reduce the amount of trades I was in. But I actually got into another one. So Priceline, see how many times they rejected that price, and then except for yesterday when it was kind of consolidating in between it. But so today when it was consolidating here, I decided to buy some buy some puts, because I know that this was sort of a level, and give that a try. So far it's looking good, but my stop is really above this area, so we'll see how that goes. So although I added another position, I reduced 2, added to 1, but I'm feeling a little bit better because I don't have quite as many as I did before. I'm still not quite ready to add even more ideas than what I already have right now. So I'll just keep trying to work on my trading game instead of finding new stuff. I did have a GME day trade that I'm going to review today that I wasn't very happy about, but we'll save that for the next video. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.